To edit an animal, go to the Animals tab and drop down to Registered Animals. If the animal has a problem with its registration, you can find it under Pending Animals. In the search box, type the animal's ident. Select the line the animal is in and click Edit Animal. The Animal Detail screen will allow you to edit certain fields. After you have made your changes, click Update Animal at the bottom of the screen. If all details are correct, a green bar will appear at the top of the screen to advise the animal has been successfully updated. If an error or warning message appears, correct the problem. If you can't, click either Override Warning or Submit as Pending. For further information, refer to page 13 of the user manual. Otherwise, you can contact the Herefords Australia office.